Welcome. If you're looking for a simple, step-by-step guide on how to report a group on Messenger, you're in the right place. Whether you're dealing with spam, inappropriate content, or any other issue, reporting helps keep Messenger a safe and friendly space for everyone. Let's walk through the updated process together. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, scroll through your chats and tap on the group you want to report. This will open the conversation window for that group. Next, look at the top of your screen. You'll see either the group's name or the group's picture. Tap on it. This will take you to the group's main info page, where you can see all the details about the group and its members. Now, scroll down the group info page until you find the option labeled Report. Tap on Report to start the process. Messenger wants to make sure you're reporting the right thing, so you'll be asked to choose the person in the group who's causing the issue. Tap on the name of the person you want to report. After selecting the person, you'll see a list of problems you can report, such as harassment, spam, or inappropriate content. Choose the problem that best matches your situation. Messenger may ask you for a bit more information, so follow the on-screen prompts and provide any details that could help review your report. Finally, confirm your report. Messenger will let you know that your report has been submitted and will review the issue as soon as possible. Your identity will remain confidential, so the person you reported won't know it was you. And that's it. Reporting a group or a member on Messenger is quick and straightforward. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.